Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to make a Neumorphism design in Figma. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Here is you can see on the home page when you log in into Figma, what you can do here is click on this create new design and you will be routed into this page. What you need to do is just create a rectangle. Once you have created a rectangle, you can modify the color on what you want the design to be in. So I'll just use this turquoise color here. Once done, we will add another rectangle, and then we will be editing the round, or we will be rounding the edges of the rectangle, the small rectangle that we just placed. Once done, we just need to modify its color as well. And what makes this neumorphic, or by another term, it's like a soft design. What we will do here is we will be adding highlights, shadows, and dark shadows and light shadows on it so that it will look like it's emerging from the background. So here you can see that under effects, you will need to click on a drop shadow, and then you just need to modify the shadow by 10 plus 10, or 10 on the x axis and then 10 on the y axis. And then you just need to blur and also adjust the spread as well for this. So we need to make this as soft as possible. So we will adjust the blur of the design that we are creating. So I just place it on 30. And then from here, what we will do is that we will add another drop shadow here. You can just click on the plus icon here on that's aligned with the effects word, and then it will add another layer of the drop shadow. So what we will do here on this part is that since we will be using the opposite side of the rectangle, you need to adjust the x and y into -10 and -10 as well on the y-axis. So here, the second drop shadow that we created will be the highlight, and the second drop shadow that we will be creating will be the shadow. So as you can see, it's like, or the image is like emerging, or the rectangle that we created that we rounded the edges is like emerging from the background. So it's just like one bump, so it would look like very seamless. Once done, what you can do here is that we can add a text. So by clicking here on the toolbar at the upper part, that's the letter T, we just need to put or incorporate a text or a symbol depending on what you want to incorporate in your design. And then what I do here is just I will be resizing the font size as well as its color as well. So I want this to be in bold, so I don't want it to be black, so I'll just change the opacity so that it's not very not very shown on the, or it's not very dark, or it does not differentiate from the design that I have. So that's basically how you create a neumorphic design here in Figma, and that's basically the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.